Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, the other way round. The other way round is used to say that the opposite situation is true or that something should be in the opposite position, direction or order. So, the other way round means the opposite situation is true. Example, sometimes I cook and my mother does the dishes, and sometimes it is the other way round. It means sometimes I cook and my mother does the dishes, sometimes it is the opposite. It means sometimes my mother cooks and I do the dishes. Second example, you put the knife on the left and the fork on the right. They should be the other way round. It means the knife should be on the right and the fork should be on the left. It is the opposite to the way they put them on the table. The other way round means the opposite to some situation, plan or position. You can understand the meaning of this idiom by looking at the picture. It is in this direction, but this direction is true. The opposite of this is true. It was you who sought me out, not the other way round. You sought me out. I did not seek you out. I always thought that football was a rougher game than cricket, but in fact, it's the other way round. The fact is, it is not football that is rougher, it is cricket that is rougher. The opposite situation is true here. It only works the other way round. If something works on the other way round, it only works in the opposite direction. So, the other way round, the other way around, or the other way about means the opposite situation is true. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.